account. If you have a Gmail account already and you wish to use it, it's okay. But if you don't want to use it, you can create another one. I'll be putting you through all that in this video. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. Now, straight into the video. Launch your favorite app. In this video, I'll be using Chrome. In the search engine there, type in gmail.com. gmail.com. Go to create your Google account. Input your personal information. Now, this email was created for this tutorial, so I don't mind leaving everything there, including the password. Input the password and confirm it. Make sure they are the same. Next. Phone number. No, this is personal to me. Yeah. Input your phone number, your recovery email, that one is optional, your day, month, and year of birth. Then you click next. I agree. Your email account, your Gmail account is ready. Now to YouTube. Launch the YouTube app. Click on that woman icon there. At the top right hand corner, there is an icon there. Click on it. Click sign in. Now you are signing in with the email account you created or the email account you want to use to open a YouTube channel. Input the email now. Next. Enter your password. Like I said, I don't mind it. Leaving it bare. Next. I agree to. Click on I agree. Check the box for backup to Google Drive. Accept. Now your YouTube account is created. Click on your channel. This is how you want to use YouTube, either with the name you already have or you can edit it. Okay, you can now start creating videos. Add a description to describe what your channel is all about. It should not be more than 1,000 letters. Describe your channel here and click OK. Uncheck the blue boxes here. Your changes were saved. Now you are good to go. You can start creating videos and uploading them. Verify your account. If you want to share the link to your YouTube channel. I have a video on that. So guys, hope this was helpful. If it was, like, share, comment in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.